Fossil fuels are available now, but not for long. As fossil fuels become scarce, we will need to look for other means of energy. But where can we get an unlimited source of energy, you ask? The answer is simple. It's the sun. Hi, my name is Shahed Kamal, co-founder of SolarInstallGuru.com. In the next few minutes, I will show you how harnessing solar power means tapping into an unlimited source of energy from the sun. Did you know that solar energy is an easily accessible, plentiful source of energy? Did you also know it provides benefits to the environment by offsetting carbon emissions into our atmosphere? Solar power is available everywhere, unlike fossil fuels, which are limited to certain parts of the world. So, my question is, why pollute the planet by using fossil fuels when the source of solar power, which is the sun, is so abundant and environmentally friendly? Can you imagine an unlimited source of energy, not having to worry about your energy source depleting? That's what solar power is about. But what does that mean in regards to savings for you as a homeowner? Here, let me show you. All the energy that the sun provides in just 30 days is far greater than the total amount of energy that humans have derived from burning fossil fuels since the beginning of civilization. According to Sanjivity.com, in over a 20-year span, a 3-kilowatt solar home will save 99,000 kilograms of carbon emissions from being emitted into the atmosphere. So what does that mean to the solar system homeowner? This is basically the same as planting 5,320 trees or taking 131 cars off the road, thereby increasing the environmental benefits of solar energy. Wow! You as a citizen of this world have the power to save the planet in such a big way. By investing in solar, you as a homeowner are tapping into an unlimited amount of clean energy from the sun without fear of that energy being depleted, as well as helping the environment by offsetting carbon emissions into our atmosphere. If you are interested in saving the planet and taking control of your energy future, visit SolarInstallGuru.com and make an appointment for a free solar energy audit today, valued at about $500. You will also find a lot of other solar-related money-saving tips in our blog and video presentations. What are you waiting for? Go to SolarInstallGuru.com right now and you will receive a free ebook, a $40 value for just visiting the site, which covers in-depth on how you can save money and save the environment in the process. You can also register for free online training courses which covers various topics related but not limited to solar system installation with little or no out-of-pocket cost. I would like you to join us in our conversations on Twitter and Facebook. Thank you.